To move is a simple word. There are many ways to move. You can move in, out, up, down, over, on, or along. We're on the move now. Ready, steady, go. Stop. Not so fast. We're not in a race. Let's move slowly. Let's take one step at a time. Wherever you go, there are different ways to get there. You can take many small steps or one big step. You can go up some steps or down some steps. Now that we're moving along, let's take many steps. Let's go for a walk. You can go for a walk with your dog, or you can go for a walk along a beach. You can walk slow, really slow, or you can run. You want to go somewhere, but you don't want to walk and you don't want to run. How are you going to get there? Well, you can ride a bike, if you have a bicycle. You can take a train once it stops. You can drive a car, if you're old enough to have a driver's license. That makes you the driver. You can get a ride in a car, then you are the passenger. Well, here, he is the passenger. Or just take a bus. Hurry, get on before it moves on. You don't want to sit still? What other moves are there? Well, you can jump. You can skip rope, for example. You can hop along like a rabbit. And you can learn to dance. Not for you? Just move any way you like.